So treat delivery is a very important part of clicker training. So we're now going to do some treat delivery exercises. The first one is called a finger shuffle or a Pez dispenser. And this is something that you would use possibly if you didn't have a bait bag in your hand. So you would typically look like this. You would have the clicker in one hand and you would have your treats in the other. So simply all I'm going to do, and I'm not using the clicker now of course, so simply all I'm doing, cookies in my hand, I am rolling the cookies through my finger and I'm dropping them in a bowl. And I'm returning to home base each time. Roll, drop, return to home base. Roll, drop, return to home base. Roll, drop, return to home base. I would also do this with while I was sitting, and I would do it with both hands as well. The next one that we're going to try, which may be a little difficult here, is the same finger shuffle, but I am going to toss, let me get my box sit here. I am going to toss my treats because we don't always have the option of delivering directly to the dog. Sometimes we need to toss the cookie behind the dog off to the side to reset them for the next thing. So in a standing position, my home base is going to require my hand to return to for the most part, to my leg. You may be more comfortable returning here. You will have to figure that out as you go along. So I am going to home base. I'm going to roll my treat. I'm going to toss to the box. I'm returning to home base. Roll my treat, toss my cookie, return to home base. Roll, toss, return to home base. Roll, toss, and return to home base. Now what I do want you to remember is that there will be obviously a click happening each time, and the click and the treat delivery are entirely separate. So you would click, then you would roll and toss your cookie, return to home base. Click for the next thing that your dog is doing, return, your hand should be at home base, and then you deliver your cookie. You would also do this from a seated position as well, which would look very much the same, but my hand is here for home base. So I roll my cookie, I toss, I return to home base. Roll my cookie, toss, return to home base. Okay, I would like you guys to try this, and then we'll have some more exercises for you to do.